Hey, this is Charles from MAP Syndicate, and we'll be discussing how master affiliate profits can help you gain perpetual commissions. And so the whole idea here is that people that build an affiliate business, they want to be able to create stable income and passive income. But many of the programs out there don't allow that. First of all, let's talk about e-commerce shops. You promote one of the biggest e-commerce shops, you get a cookie where you're allowed to make a sale and make commissions off of that within that day. And so what happens that somebody goes to shop, they might buy a bunch of products, and then you're able to get commissions from whatever products that company allows you to get commissions from. And then what happens that if that customer goes back to that shop over and over and over again, you do not typically get commissions. So let's go ahead and look at digital products and software sales. Typically, there's going to be a funnel. What happens is that you see a sales letter that's called a front end offer. Somebody buys a product from that, and typically what happens is that they see another page after that. That is called an upsell or one-time offer. So there might be two to even five, even more. And what happens is that as an affiliate, if you are promoting that funnel, many times you'll get commissions for the entire funnel. Some people will not be giving you the full commissions on every single product. But what happens when that seller promotes another product in the future? You typically do not get commissions. So that's where things aren't so great for most affiliate offers. You're not getting ongoing commissions. And I've seen this especially with some high ticket offers where people will buy, like, let's say a CRM, they'll spend $1,000 or more, and then they buy that offer, and you would think that any products, any systems that that vendor sells, that you'd get commissions from, but that's not the case for many of these. So that is unfortunate. That's something that I've seen in the affiliate marketing space. However, master affiliate profits is different. They do have multiple offers. There are offers that they're creating now, like let's say medium ticket, high ticket offers. And right now we're at phase three where you're able to get the very highly discounted membership for platinum. They call that backer level. So at platinum, you're able to get 75+% commissions, depending on what type of offer it is. There are different commissions depending on if it's an upsell or if it's a two-tier affiliate sell. There's a lot of things involved in that. But the main thing here is that you're able to make commissions ongoing. If it's in the future, if there are recurring subscriptions, you're able to make money over and over again. If there are future products in their funnel for, like, let's say other medium ticket, other high ticket products, they will promote it and you'll be able to earn commissions. So this is the power of perpetual commissions within master affiliate profits. Again, you do have two-tier affiliate commissions. So if people want to become affiliates after they learn from MAP and they think it's a great product and they want to go ahead and promote it, you again make commissions from that. So that's two-tier affiliate commissions. And so there's so many different ways that you could earn perpetual commissions through master affiliate profits. So let's go ahead and talk about this. One of the great things about master affiliate profits is that the owners, whether it's John Thornhill, Omar Martin, and his wife, they are very focused on creating this opportunity for you where you can earn passive commissions. And this is something that is a very innovative model, especially providing perpetual commissions. And they are rewarding you for building a very strong relationship with your customer base. And this whole commission structure, it really incentivizes affiliates to build their list. This is actually a very core pillar in digital marketing. It doesn't matter if it's MAP or anything else. The core pillar here is email marketing, building your list, building your own database of contacts so you can build up your audience. And this is something that you are able to control. It's unlike social media, it's unlike YouTube. This contact database that you're able to build, you can use that for just about any future promotions and you own that list. Whether a social media system goes downhill or maybe that they'll restrict you, there are cases where I've been part of some social media networks in the past that have now been just terminated. They're no longer around. All the people, all the friends that I made in those networks, I'm no longer able to connect with them. So by building your list, you're able to build up your long-term audience and therefore build a long-term relationship and a long-term business. And MAP will reward you for that, and that will allow you to build ongoing commissions. Within the MAP program, you have access to a wide variety of training, traffic tactics, marketing strategies that allow you to build your business. So it creates a very multifaceted business that allows you to build a business using kind of like if you think about a wheel, using different spokes. And this allows you to drive more sales. And of course, this will increase this whole chance of creating this perpetual commission snowball. So if you think about a snowball going down a hill, it starts off small, but over time, as you build up perpetual commissions, it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. And by employing all these different strategies that they have been teaching in the Master Affiliate Profit system, whether it's email marketing, content marketing, video marketing, there's so many strategies that they're providing. This will allow you to attract potential customers and, of course, make sales, but increase this whole chance of creating this perpetual snowball of commissions. So one of the great things about Master Affiliate Profits is that it allows you to build a long-term business. It is very evergreen. The type of products that they are providing, they are there for the long term. They're not just focused on trendy products that have short-term appeal. These strategies that they focus on are the same strategies that Omar and John Thornhill, the creators of the system, have been using for well over a decade. And they have, of course, provided you with modern strategies that have pretty much tweaked what they've been doing over time to create a better marketing system for you, which you could apply to just about any big business out there. Somebody asked me a question the other day if the strategies in Master Failure Profits can be used for anything, any type of promotion, any type of product. I would say that for the most part, many of the strategies that are being provided can be utilized to promote everything. If you are trying to promote, like let's say, your own business offline, there's a lot of things that you could apply to this and utilize to build those types of businesses, even e-commerce businesses. So go ahead and check it out. A lot of the strategies here will help you build a long-term business. And even as an affiliate, this will help you build a long-term income. So that's one of the reasons why I have chosen Master Affiliate Profits over many of the other types of affiliate products out there. What I've seen, one thing I don't really go into are products that are not evergreen. And the reason being is that there's a lot of churning where um, people will jump into very popular affiliate digital marketing market spaces, promote products week after week, month after month, create many products, and they're just creating so many products to generate leads. And it's not so much to build a very great business for affiliates. So the whole idea here is creating something from MAP's perspective that is going to provide tremendous value to all the customers that are members of it to be able to like the products and then promote them. And then I believe that these types of products that are being offered within Master Affiliate Profits are very top notch. You'll be able to utilize them to build your business again, whether that's the MAP system that you're promoting or not. So there's a lot to gain from this, and you can diversify your marketing strategies and build your business. One of the things that I really like about the Master Affiliate Profit system is that it's very comprehensive. It has something for just about anyone because there are some people that want to focus on social media, that want to become influencers, that want to be able to get a whole bunch of likes, a whole bunch of followers. And there's some people that might not want to do that. Some people might want to go into something more passive, not just faceless social media, but go into content marketing, and there might be some other people that are very, very focused into email marketing and going into paid strategies and even building up their own products. And so if you are involved in digital marketing or affiliate marketing, there might be a time, or maybe you're doing it now, you're possibly thinking about building your own line of products. And I think that's where Master Affiliate Profit shines. The creators of the system, they came from a background where they have created many digital products over time, a lot of high quality products. And so you're getting the mindset, you're getting the coaching directly from the people that have done it in the field. And they have generated millions and millions of dollars over the last decade plus, close to 2 decades now. And so even as an affiliate, there's so much to gain from this system. And if you want to learn more about Master Affiliate Profits, make sure that you go ahead and check out the link in my description, and you'll get more information about Master Affiliate Profits. Also, I'll be providing you with a free course that showcases the whole strategy of making money online. So go ahead and check it out. This is Charles from MAP Syndicate. Thanks for watching.